Welcome to the electrifying and fast-paced world of the Russian language. Imagine you're in the heart of a bustling city where everything moves at lightning speed and everyone is vying to be heard. Hey everyone, I'm Nick, and today we're embarking on a game-changing journey into language. In a world buzzing with noise and information, how can we truly connect and understand each other? The key is simple: personal pronouns. Imagine if every I, you, he, she vanished from our language. How would we communicate? Let's meet at the cafe. I will bring the documents. Sounds confusing, right? Personal pronouns are secret weapons in communication. They transform our speech from chaotic to clear, from confusing to compelling. Without them, every conversation would descend into madness. Today, we're going to dive deep into these powerful little words. You'll discover how they help us construct sentences, express thoughts, and convey emotions. Ready to master this essential part of Russian? Let's go. Let's kick things off with the foundational pronouns in Russian.
Я, ты, он, она, мы, вы, они.
First, let's see these power players in action within sentences.
Я читаю книгу.
I am reading a book.
Ты смотришь фильм.
You are watching a movie.
Он играет на гитаре.
He is playing the guitar.
Она рисует картину.
She is painting a picture.
Мы идем в парк.
We are going to the park.
Вы готовите ужин.
You are cooking dinner.
Они путешествуют по миру.
They are traveling the world. Each of these pronouns morphs depending on the case. Let's break down examples and declension tables. Now that we've got the forms and declensions down, let's tackle some more complex examples.
Он дал мне книгу.
He gave me a book.
Мы встретились с тобой вчера.
We met with you yesterday.
Они позвонили ей.
They called her. See how personal pronouns are the backbone of our conversations. They make our speech flexible and impactful. Try them in your sentences and watch your communication come alive. Thanks for joining this crucial lesson. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, and comment on what topics you want us to explore next. See you soon.